Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic range of air movers and fans that we have. So we get our own in, this is from Drymatic. So we get our own fans. Now there's no lie, these are made in China, but we get like 1% parts and our parts are piling up. Our recoil back on these fans is very small. So we have our axial fan. We have our high pressure air mover. Large high pressure air mover. We have our smaller air mover. And then we have our radial fan. So we also have ventilator as well, but just look at this range for the moment. Now with these particular fans, what we love about them is their longevity and they're so easy to fix. You know, usually technicians are a little rough with fans and they'll drop one or, you know, throw it in something and bang down something. We have motors to replace, we have grills, we have all the parts for every one of these fans. So it's no problem. Someone came to me the other day and said, oh, to get a fan motor, said it's more cost effective to buy a new machine. No, it actually isn't. So, check out our website for further information on these phenomenal fans. So our biggest selling fan is axial fan. This is for injection drying. This is our normal air mover that we'll have for Drymatic mats and boosts and stuff. This is mainly for the injection and lots of mats. And then you've got your radial fan for your smaller jobs or, low noise jobs. So check out our website for further information on these fantastic products. Thanks for watching.